Mabuhay, my name is Brian Santiago. I'm 30 years old from the city of Taguig. I'm a flight attendant and working in the industry for the past 7 years has definitely taught me a lot about listening and being kind to my body. Every day we face hundreds of passengers. We even fill your cups with drinks. But one thing I realized is that in life, you have to fill your own cup first. And that is exactly why I'm here. I stand for self-care and self-development. I also realize that it is only when you have truly mastered to love yourself, the art of loving yourself and investing in yourself, that you can inspire and love others as well. And that is my Superbod era. Thank you.
Thank you, Brian. Your question comes from Judge Jules.
Hi, Brian. How do you fill your own cup? What are ways that you go about your own life and the things that you do daily to fill your own cup?
Filling my own cup has been a journey. I have to remind myself that filling your own cup and healing is linear. So it is okay to not be okay at times. It is okay to acknowledge your weaknesses, give yourself some grace, but also capitalize on your strengths and your hobbies. So outside work, I try to work out, I run, and I try to get my mind off of things. And that is those are ways that fill my own cup. Thank you for your questions. Thank you, Brian.
Male number 6.